wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Eka Susanti with NPM 224111006 from Management Class 22B. Service Marketing Management course, Lecture Miss Kemala Puji. Here I will explain about consumer behavior in service. Introduction to consumer behavior in service. Consumer behavior in service refers to the study of how individuals make decisions about the purchase and consumption of service. Unlike product, services are intangible, heterogeneous, inseparable from their providers, and perishable. Thus, characteristics significantly influence consumer perception and behavior. Understanding consumer behavior in service is essential for business to tailor their offerings effectively and enhance customer satisfaction. The importance of understanding consumer behavior. Understanding consumer behavior is crucial for service providers as it allows them to identify customer needs, preference, and motivation. By analyzing consumer behavior, business can develop marketing strategies that resonate with their target audience, leading to increased customer loyalty and retention. Furthermore, insight into customer behavior can help in designing better service experience that different a business from its competitor. Factor influencing customer behavior in service. Several factors influence customer behavior in service, including cultural, social, personal, and psychological factors. Cultural factor encompass belief, value, and custom that shape consumer preference. Social factors such as family, friends, and social network also play a significant role in influencing consumer decisions. Personal factors including age and gender, income, and lifestyle further impact customer choice. Psychological factors such as perception, motivation, beliefs, and attitudes shapes how consumers view and interact with service. The service encounter is a critical moment in consumer behavior, representing the interaction between the service provider and the customer. This encounter can significantly influence customer satisfaction and perception of service quality. During the service encounter, consumer evaluate various aspects including the provider professionalism, empathy, and responsiveness. The quality of this interaction can lead to repeat business and positive word of mouth recommendation. Quality and consumer satisfaction. Service quality is a key determinant of customer satisfaction in the service sector. The circle model developed by Parasuraman, Zaitmal, and Berry identifies five dimensions of service quality: tangibles, reliability, responsiveness, assurance, and empathy. Each of these dimensions plays a vital role in shaping consumer perception of service quality. High service quality leads to increased customer satisfaction, which is essential for long-term business success. The role of expectation in consumer behavior. Consumer expectation significantly influence the behavior when selecting service. Expectations are shaped by past experience, word of mouth, advertising, and personal beliefs. When consumers encounter service that meet or exceed their expectation, they are more likely to expect satisfaction and return for future service. Conversely, if the service falls short of expectation, dissatisfaction may lead to negative review and a loss of customer loyalty. The impact of experience on consumer behavior. Consumer experience with service are a crucial aspect of behavior. Positive experience can lead to customer loyalty, repeat purchase, and referrals. Service providers must focus on creating memorable and enjoyable experience for their customer. This can be achieved through personal service, attention to detail, and ensuring a seamless service process. Negative experience on the other hand, can deter consumer from returning and can damage a company reputation. The role of emotions in consumer behavior. Emotions play a significant role in consumer behavior. Particularly in service industries, customers often make decisions based on their feelings and emotional response to a service. For example, feelings of happiness, trust, or comfort can enjoy like the likelihood of repeat purchase. Conversely, negative emotions such as frustration or disappointment can lead to service avoidance. Service providers should aim to evoke positive emotions throughout their interaction and service delivery. The influence of social media on consumer behavior. Social media has transformed the way consumers engage with service. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram enable consumers to share their experience and opinions about service with a vast audience. Positive review and recommendation can enhance a service provider reputation, while negative feedback can significantly impact customer perspective perceptions. Service business must actively manage their online purchase and respond to customer feedback to influence customer behavior positively. The role of technology in service delivery. Technology has become an integral part of service delivery, influencing customer behavior significantly. Digital tools and platforms enjoy convenience, accessibility, and overall service experience. Consumer now expects seamless online interaction, personalized communication, and quick response to inquiries. Business must leverage technology to meet these expectations, ensuring they provide efficient and user-friendly service. Consumer behavior in service industry. Different service industry exhibit unique customer behaviors. For example, in the hospital industry, consumers often seek experience that offer comfort and relaxation. In contrast, healthcare service may emphasize tools and expertise. Understanding the specific consumer behaviors associated with different service sector can help business tailor their marketing strategies and service offering effectively. The role of loyalty program in consumer behavior. Loyalty programs are designed to encourage repeat business and enjoy customer retention. These programs reward consumers for their continued patronage, fostering a sense of belonging and appreciation. By analyzing customer behavior related to loyalty program, business can identify effective strategy to engage customer and enhance their overall experience. Service innovation and customer behavior. Innovation in service offerings can significantly impact customer behavior. Consumers are often drawn to new and unique service that promise ensign value or convenience. Business that continuously innovative and adapt to changing consumer preferences can maintain a competitive edge and attract new customers. Understanding the factors that drive consumer acceptance of innovative service is crucial for successful implementation. Customer decision making process in service. The consumer decision making process consists of several steps: probable recognition, information search, evaluation of alternative, purchase decision, and post-purchase behavior. Each stage present opportunities for service providers to influence customer behavior. For example, effective marketing strategies during the information phase can guide consumer towards selecting a particular service over competitors. The importance of post-purchase evaluation. Post-purchase evaluation is critical in shaping future consumer behavior. After using a service, consumers assess their experience against their internal expectation. Positive evaluation can lead to repeat purchase and brand loyalty, while negative evaluation can result in dissatisfaction and shift to competitor. Service provider must focus on delivering consistent quality to ensure positive post-purchase evaluation. Consumer behavior in high-contact service. High-contact service such as healthcare or education involve significant interaction between consumer and service providers. The quality of this interaction directly impacts customer satisfaction and loyalty. Understanding customer behavior in high contact service requires a focus on the interpersonal aspect of service delivery and the emotional connection formed during this interaction. The impact of price on consumer behavior. Price is a critical factor influencing customer behavior in service. Consumer often assess the value of the service based on its costs. Price perspective can vary based on individual customer experience and expectation. Service provider must consider pricing strategies that align with consumer perception of value while remaining competitive in the market. The influence of review and testimonials. Consumer review and testimonials significantly impact customer behavior. Positive review can enhance a service reputation and attract new customers, while negative review can deter potential clients. Service providers should actively encourage satisfied customers to share their experience and address negative feedback properly to maintain a positive brand image. The role of service environment. The service environment, including physical setting, ambience, and layout, can influence customer behavior. A well-designed service environment enhances customer experience and satisfaction. Factors such as cleanliness, comfort, and aesthetic contribute to the overall impression of a service. Business must invest creating inviting service environments that align with customer expectation. Ethical consideration in consumer behavior. Ethical consideration play a significant role in customer behavior in service. Consumers increasingly seek business that align with their value, including sustainable social responsibility and fair practice. Service provider must be aware of this ethical consideration and strive to incorporate them their operation to attract ethically minded consumers. Conclusion: understanding customer behavior in service is essential for business aiming to thrive in a competitive market. By analyzing the factors influencing consumer decisions, service provider can tailor their offerings, enhance customer experience, and foster long-term relationship. As the service landscape continues to evolve, business must remain attentive to changing customer preferences and adapt their strategies accordingly to meet and exceed customer expectations. Okay, that's all the explanation for me. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.